What's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. If you guys are watching this at 2 a.m., welcome to my world. Welcome to my quarantine life. I haven't put makeup on in a hot minute, and this is crazy, and my hair is straight. What? Who am I? Who are you? I don't know what's going on. Before we get started, I just wanted to notate I have added a couple more items on the dance menu, and I also have a chair menu that you guys can go and look at. Please DM me for any questions, or if you guys want to schedule a consultation or some appointments of any of the listed items down below, you can get at me at Jaclyn Villaseñor on my Instagram. Without further ado, let's just get into this video. So first things first, I'm the brilliant, so I'm about to head you down. I'll give you lessons in physics. Primer. So after you've washed your face, you put your sunblock on and all your moisturizer and everything. Dr. Brandt Pores No More. That one looks empty. I'm gonna do my eyes first, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Regular Scotch tape. And I'm gonna take the line from my bottom lash and just kind of angle it up following my eyebrow. So we have a couple of options for eyeshadow today. I've got some ColourPop shadows here. Jeffrey, a star palette. This one has extreme fallout, a lot of neutrals, but it's also got some colors if you want to do like a little bit of pop. I'm going for a more neutral type of shadow, so I want a base first. So I'm gonna look at the eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna look at like the lighter colors for my base. So probably like one of these two. I want to go a bit more warm, so I think I'm gonna go in with this one. You could also go with this pretty pink, but I think I'm gonna go with 1985. Ooh, see what I mean? It's got tremendous fallout, but I'm just gonna pat that all the way on there. Okay, this is a lot more peach than I originally anticipated, and I'm gonna go up with it as well. I'm gonna lie, this tape situation, not the most comfortable. Mr. Diva. I'm just gonna go with the crease right there. So like when our eyelid opens right there, I'm gonna touch it there. See, and you can see the fallout is already just kind of blending it upwards. So it kind of just melts into the color that I had previously. I'm gonna go in with Lynn, and I am just going to pat that on the top of this lid. Spray that. I think it's called Nip Slip. Oh yes, look at that chocolate. That chocolate neutral bronze goddess blend going through. Hi dude. Tap it just a little bit. And I'm going to tap this outer corner. And then I'm tapping it going. My mother's calling me. Mommy, I'm filming a YouTube video.
Okay, mama.
Okay, mommy.
Love you, bye.
I love you too, bye. We all love mothers. Mother's Day is coming up. It feels like a sledgehammer. Now, since I've kind of blended circular motions, just drag it out this way. I mean, look at that one. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Amazing in all of these highlighters. But I think I'm gonna, ooh, one noise is calling my name a little bit. But we are going more neutral, so stay focused. Dog Mom is kind of looking. Ooh, that's pretty. So pretty. Like a model, like Chelita. Wipe that off. Brilliant! Ooh, I'm gonna go back in with 1985. See, this is why you don't want to get the tape too close to this part of the lash line, because then you're not gonna be able to add all the stuff you need to add. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Hi Dude. I'm gonna concentrate that right there. I want this corner to be really dark. It looks chocolatey and yummy and delicious. So the thing with eyeliner, I don't take it and I don't drag it, as I'm not that skilled. I like take it as close to the lash line and I just kind of outline like this. Because your girl is not that skilled with the eyeliner. Gonna take it at an angle. Go up with it. Now that you all can see that I clearly suck at eyeliner, I'm going up and I'm twisting. Yes, you can tell that I fix eyeliner a lot because I make this mistake very often, darlings. I'm gonna use a flat tip brush. Why don't we try designer label? I haven't done my brows yet, so this is probably gonna change some. I'm gonna prime with Lancome. Really brush through those lashes. NARS. I'm really kind of stamping, that way I can really build the chunkiness, the thickness in the base. lashes. They're very neutral, very full. I have very small eyes, so I don't like to wear big lashes anymore. I'm just waiting for my lash to dry. Watch carefully because doing eyelashes took me a really long time to do. I kind of go for the middle, cross my fingers, and pray that this stays. GimMe Brow benefit, and I'm gonna brush through that. And if you don't have this, don't worry, you can use mascara. And this pencil is just so slim. It's so precise and it's so inexpensive. I take it from the beginning and then I brush this all the way through the end. Thumbs up if you've got yourself a favorite brow, because this one is my favorite. Just does what I ask it to do, you know? I'm going to finish the rest of this brow in this eye and I will be right back. So I ended up going in with M Cosmetics. If you guys don't know what M Cosmetics is, it's Michelle Phan's line. She is a YouTuber. She's the OG of YouTubers. This is her line. She's got the best eyeliner. Okay, now for the reveal. Oh my gosh. See, you need to use the other kind of tape because then it doesn't hurt as badly. Ooh. I have the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector. Dab this underneath my eyes right there. My imperfections here on the sides and warm it up with my finger. I haven't really been using foundation in like, I don't know, half a year. I've just been really taking really good care of my skin. Finesse with my baby. I'm telling you guys, I just love all these little minis. To go so bright anymore, you know, when everybody was all about like going so bright. I know that's so crooked. Like really white under the eyes. So I just really like to make everything like more of that like natural color. And I'm just gonna kind of bring that color back in that my concealer took away. I've got some Makeup Forever. When it comes to game day, tryout, audition, Makeup Forever, it does not fail me. Bahama Mama, then I'll tap it instead of rubbing back and forth. I will buff it in like this. My 5 head trying to make it a 4 head. See all that shadow, all that shade? And then I'm gonna go around my chin, a wee bit of a triangle here, and then I'm just gonna cut it off at the tip. So it's not just all one straight like line. The things we do for beauty. Blushes that are like these with like the powder. Dip it, take the cap, and then I'll go like this. How much was on that?
Wow.
Smile, tap, tap, and I go around with it. And then I'll go back into the cap. I'm just kind of taking like whatever's left on my brush and just dusting it all over my contour. I love highlighters like this too, that are also in that powdery form. So same thing, I got product on the cap and I will just, look how much product is on the cap. Same thing, literally same thing, love. On my Cooper ball, because seriously, a little bit goes a long way. Is NYX? I don't know. See, this is number 13, Sephora. I have so many lipsticks, but I always gravitate to these ones because, especially for tryouts, they just go with everything. With Committed from the Bomb Cosmetics. It's my favorite. Okay, juice guys, so this is the final look. Doing makeup is like a mini meditation for me, so I enjoyed this, so thank you for influencing me to make this video. Let's all stick together in this trying time and let's all make the teams of our dreams because now we have an upper hand advantage. I'm wishing all of you guys the best of luck during this quarantine audition season, which is what I'm calling it now. Happy makeuping, and I will check you guys in the next video. Bye! What's some dollar bills? Dance like, ay, dance like, ay, okay.